Dear friends, in this video we are going to see how to log in with G Suite account in mobile. Now what are the steps is to be followed to log in with G Suite, that only we are going to see. What are the things needed to log in? The G Suite mail ID given by the school. In your school they have given the G Suite mail ID that you have to remember. Example, here one example I have taken. Suppose a boy name is Kumar. He want to log in G Suite account. So mail ID issued by the school is so and so. This is the mail ID. Actually mail ID first three letter student, that means in the first three letter of the student, STU, followed by the name, then followed by the admission number, then the school region. These things will be available in the G Suite account ID. I mean the G Suite ID issued by the school. This only we are going to use it for login. So password, this password also they have issued, the school side they have to give the password. That password you have to use the first time to log in, then afterwards you can change the password. Now these are the IDs given by a particular school. There are names, so many names are there. Aditya Gupta, here their ID issued by the school. STU followed by the name, then admission number, then other details. It will be common for most of the children. It is issued by the concerned school, that you are going to use it for login. For login we are going to use only these IDs. These are the IDs, G Suite IDs. It is created in student's name. The ID is created in student's name. Now how to log in with G Suite account in mobile phone? How it is? First open Google Classroom from your mobile. In your mobile there is a Google Classroom. There you have to open. This is the Google Classroom icon. This is Google Classroom icon. Google Classroom icon. This only you are going to first click. Then after clicking the classroom, Google Classroom, it will take you to the next page. It will be like this. Here you are going to click the three line. Google Classroom, there will be three line, 1 2 3. There you have to click it. If you click here, then it will take you to the this sign in account. Here again it is sign in with your parents or whoever using that mobile. That account may be available here. So you have to click here. Then if you click it, you can change the account. That's what I asked you to click here. Maybe your father's or mother's account may be there. Now you are going to use your account. So once if you click it, your father's account may be at the top. Here the bottom you can see, the down you can see. If you see at the down, there is an option called add another account. We are going to add your account, which is given by the school ID. That means in the student's ID issued by the particular school. They have issued the IDs. That is we are going to use it. So for that you have to click it here. This area you have to click. Then it will take you to the next page like this. Add an account. It will ask you to add an account. That account you are going to add by clicking here. Here you have to click here. Then it will take you to the next page like this, sign in. It will be showing like this in your mobile. It will show you, use your Google account. Then here you have to type the G Suite account issued by the school. The IDs you have to type it, or copy and paste also possible. So after typing the IDs here, then just you click next. It will take you to the another page. Here these details you can fill up. For example, I have taken Kumar one name. His ID is like this, STU. For student they are using STU, followed by the name, then followed by the admission number of Kumar, then the school. These details will be there in your ID. This we are going to copy and paste it here. Once you paste it, you have to click next. If you click this one, it will take you to the another page. Here you are going to use the account. You are going to use the password, not account. Here the password, you will receive the password from the school. That password you are going to use it. Some password will be there, small letters, or some password will be there. That password you have to enter here or type here. If you enter the password, then you give next. Just you give next. Then it will take you to the another page like this. Welcome to your new account. This option will come in Google. So this new account, whether it is coming or not, you see. Here only you are going to give your accept. Here you can find at the end, after reading, there are something is written there, accept. So here you have to click accept. Once you click the accept, then it will take you to the another page like this. Welcome, so and so name will be there, your name will be there here with the account. Your newly created that G Suite account will appear here. Whoever created, their name and number, account number, other details will be there. Now here a strong password you are going to create. Create a new or strong password that you don't use for other websites. So you can create your own password that you have to type it here. Let it be small letters or any numbers along with the name, that you have to type it here. After typing the same, you have to type once again, confirm the password. Don't change it. Whatever you have selected the password for your account, that same you have to type it once again. So to remember that one, you have to make note somewhere in your diary. Make the note of your password, whatever you have typed here, that you have the password in your diary. You note down in somewhere. Then just go next step. That if you click it next, it will take you like this. Your account will appear here. That you can see, your account will appear here. Then lastly, the conditions are given, so you have to give I agree. Once you give I agree, you have created the G Suite account. Now another way to log in with G Suite in mobile is second method. How to log in with G Suite ID issued by the school. Here is the mobile. In your mobile, there are just first you go to Google Chrome. Then it will show you this 3 dot, 1 2 3. This 3 dot will be there. The 3 dot, if you click, it will take you to like this. Here you can see in the setting, you can find many options: history, recent tab, download, translate, find in pages, add to home screen. Then afterwards there is the option called a desktop site. There you have to put tick mark. Once you put tick mark, you have selected this one. This is just like a PC computer how the screen work out, that is actually desktop. So once you click here, it will take you to the google.com, that sign in. Here only you are going to sign in. Once you sign in, if you click here, it will take you like this. Then your whatever the previous account you have, that will appear in your mobile. Many accounts are there. These are the email, Gmail accounts. Here use another account. Here only you are going to use the G Suite ID which is given by the concerned school. There you have to type it. Then after typing, the other procedures are same, like the what we have seen in the first steps in the. Now the same we are going to follow for this also. Use your Google account. Here the account is given ID. Just you type it here, then you give next, then it will take you to the concerned class. After type sign in, you will see your class. Suppose you are in 3rd A, then it will go to 3rd A. Whatever the class is there, it will take you. Here in the school number will be there, code number, school code will be there, which school you are studying, that school code followed by class and followed by section. Here there will be a link. This link only you are going to click to enter the classroom. When the class teacher is started the class, they will give the timetable to you. So 5 minutes or 10 minutes, whatever the teacher is insisting you, telling you, accordingly you have to do. Once you click here, if the class is started, already madam has given the signal to join, then only you have the option to join the class. Otherwise in this class itself, just clicking, it won't allow you to join your class. So here the link will be there. So the teacher won't, no need to send the link again and again. The students can visit their class and see the link and follow the timetable given by the concerned teacher. So once you click here, it will take you to the screen like this. So here you can join. By clicking you can join. After clicking, the teacher will allow you to join. These are the procedure we have to follow, the students should follow to join G Suite Google Classroom. Okay children, I think this explanation is more than enough. Thank you.